Hello everyone and welcome back to the Change Dude podcast. I am your host Saeed Rafe, and today we are embarking on an exciting exploration of the future of software development in the age of artificial intelligence. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's transforming the way we develop software, from automating routine tasks to enabling entirely new paradigms in coding and problem solving. AI is reshaping our industry at an unprecedented pace. Over the next hour, we are going to take a deep dive into this fascinating topic. We will start by looking at the background of software development and the rise of artificial intelligence, examine the current state of artificial intelligence in our development workflows, and then explore what the future might hold. We will discuss practical realities and possibilities, and I'll share my insights on how you can position yourself to thrive in this new era. So let's get started. Before we dive into the future, it's important to set the stage with a bit of history. Software development as we know it has evolved dramatically over the decades. In the early days, coding was done in assembly language, with programmers working directly with hardware. As time progressed, high-level languages like C, Java, and Python emerged, making it easier to build complex applications. This evolution wasn't just about better tools, it was about the shift in mindset, from a focus on writing lines of code to solving real-world problems through software. As the internet grew, so did the complexity of the applications we build. We moved from static web pages to dynamic, interactive platforms, and now we are entering an era where artificial intelligence is playing an integral role in every part of the software development lifecycle. The initial wave of automation in software was marked by the advent of integrated development environments, IDEs, version control systems like Git, and automated testing frameworks. These innovations revolutionized the way we write, test, and deploy code. But now, we are on the brink of another transformation, one driven by artificial intelligence. The concept of using machines to assist or even create code isn't entirely new. Early experiments in program synthesis and genetic programming laid the groundwork. However, recent breakthroughs in machine learning, especially deep learning, have given rise to tools that can generate code, optimize algorithms, and even debug software. In this episode, we will explore how these advancements are shaping the future of our craft. Let's fast forward to today. Right now, artificial intelligence is already making waves in software development. One of the most visible examples is GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered code assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI. With Copilot, developers can get real-time code suggestions, boilerplate generation, and even help with complex logic, effectively acting as a pair programmer. This is a game changer for productivity and creativity. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. AI is being integrated into various stages of development lifecycle, starting from automated code generation and refactoring. Tools powered by artificial intelligence can now analyze your code base and suggest improvements, optimize performance, and even refactor code to adhere to best practices. To enhance testing and debugging, AI-driven testing frameworks are becoming more prevalent. They can generate test cases, identify potential bugs, and even predict where issues might arise based on historical data. Then there is predictive analytics in DevOps. AI is also revolutionizing the way we manage deployments. Predictive analytics can forecast system loads, predict downtime, and optimize resource allocation, ensuring smoother, more reliable operations. With intelligent documentation using natural language processing, AI can help generate documentation automatically. Imagine a tool that scans your code and produces clear, comprehensive documentation in minutes. Let's look at some statistics to ground these developments. According to a recent survey by Gartner, over 40% of software teams are already experimenting with AI-based development tools, and this number is expected to grow exponentially in the next few years. Another study from Forrester suggests that AI-driven tools can boost developer productivity by up to 30%, freeing up time for creative problem solving. Despite these advancements, there are still challenges. One major issue is the black box nature of many AI systems. Understanding why an AI tool makes a certain suggestion can be difficult. Additionally, while AI can assist with routine tasks, it's not yet capable of replicating the deep problem-solving skills and creativity that human developers bring to the table. Yet the current state of AI in software development is incredibly promising. It's enhancing our ability to build complex, robust systems faster and more efficiently than ever before. And as we continue to refine these tools, their impact on our industry will become more profound. Now let's look to the future. What does the next decade hold for software development in the age of artificial intelligence? The possibilities are vast and exciting, and they promise to reshape the very fabric of our industry. Starting with AI as a co-creator, we can imagine a future where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a co-creator. We are already seeing early versions of this with code generators, but soon AI could play a more significant role in designing entire systems, suggesting architectural improvements, and even identifying innovative solutions to complex problems. Artificial intelligence could analyze global trends, optimize system designs in real time, and help teams create products that are both efficient and user-friendly. Second, autonomous development. One of the bold predictions for the future is the advent of autonomous development environments. In such scenarios, artificial intelligence systems could handle routine coding tasks, integration, and even some aspects of system maintenance. Developers would shift from writing code manually to supervising, guiding, and fine-tuning AI-generated solutions. This shift could lead to a significant boost in productivity and creativity, as human developers would be free to focus on high-level problem solving and strategic innovation. Third is about enhanced collaboration and global teams. Artificial intelligence is also set to transform collaboration. With tools that translate code, documentation, and even natural language in real time, global teams can work more cohesively than ever before. This means that geographical boundaries will become even less relevant, allowing talent from around the world to collaborate on projects seamlessly. Fourth is democratization of software development. The rise of AI tools could lower the barrier to entry for aspiring developers. With intelligent assistants and automated learning platforms, more people can contribute to software development without needing years of formal education. This democratization can foster greater diversity and innovation in the tech industry. Then there will be new job roles and skills. While AI will automate many routine tasks, it will also create new roles that require uniquely human skills. Jobs such as AI ethicists, data curators, and creative problem solvers will become more prominent. The emphasis will shift towards skills like critical thinking, creativity, and the ability to integrate complex systems, areas where humans excel over machines. Looking even further ahead, the convergence of AI with emerging technologies like quantum computing could lead to breakthroughs we can barely imagine today. Quantum computing promises exponential increases in processing power, which, when combined with advanced artificial intelligence, could revolutionize fields such as cryptography, optimization, and complex system simulations. As AI becomes more powerful, ensuring that it is developed and deployed ethically will be paramount. The future will demand robust frameworks for transparency, fairness, and accountability. This will not only influence how we build AI systems, but also shape the overall trajectory of technology. Throughout these future possibilities, one thing is clear: the role of the human developer will evolve. Rather than being replaced, We will work alongside artificial intelligence, enhancing our capabilities, driving innovation, and focusing on the creative and strategic aspects of technology. Now let's get into practical realities. With all these future possibilities on the horizon, what we can as developers and tech professionals do right now to prepare ourselves. First is to invest in continuous learning. As we discussed in previous episodes, continuous learning is key to stay updated with the latest trends in AI and software development. Engage in courses and read industry research and experiment with new tools. For example, if you haven't already, try out AI-powered development tools like GitHub Copilot to get a taste of how artificial intelligence can assist you in your day-to-day work. Second, you have to develop a hybrid skill set. The future belongs to those who are versatile. While mastering core programming skills remain essential, you should also focus on complementary skills like data analysis, machine learning, and even soft skills like communication and collaboration. This hybrid skill set will make you indispensable in environments where AI and human expertise intersect. Third is to embrace a culture of experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things. Use side projects as a sandbox to experiment with AI tools and methodologies. Not every experiment will be successful, but each one will teach you something valuable. Embracing a culture of experimentation is vital. After all, many of the breakthroughs in our industry come from bold, creative experiments. Then, prioritize ethical considerations. As we integrate AI deeper into software development, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Educate yourself on AI ethics, stay informed about regulatory changes, and always consider the broader impact of your work. Building ethical, responsible systems will be a key differentiator in the future tech landscape. Build a collaborative network. The pace of innovation means that no one can master everything alone. Build a network of peers, mentors, and thought leaders who share your passion for continuous improvement and innovation. Participate in forums, attend industry conferences, and collaborate on open source projects. These connections will be invaluable as you navigate the future of tech. Leverage data to drive decisions. Data is at the heart of modern tech. Learn how to use analytics to inform your decisions and measure the impact of your projects. Data-driven decision-making is a critical skill that will help you navigate uncertainty and make informed choices about adopting new technologies. Lastly, stay adaptable. Perhaps the most important takeaway is to remain adaptable. The tech landscape is not static. What's cutting edge today may be outdated tomorrow. Embrace change. Be willing to pivot and continually reassess your goals and strategies. Adaptability is the cornerstone of long-term success in any field, and it's particularly vital in tech. To add some depth to our discussion, let's consider insights from industry experts and research findings on the future of software development in the age of artificial intelligence. Here is an expert perspective from Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. He has often spoken about the importance of continuous learning and adaptability. Under his leadership, Microsoft has transformed by embracing AI, cloud computing, and a growth mindset. Nadella's emphasis on empathy, innovation, and continuous improvement serves as a powerful reminder that staying relevant in tech is as much about mindset as it is about technical skills. A research insight by LinkedIn revealed that professionals who dedicate time to continuous learning are 50% more likely to be promoted. Additionally, a report by World Economic Forum estimates that more than half of all employees will require significant upskilling by 2025 to remain competitive. These statistics underscore the importance of lifelong learning and adaptability in the tech industry. What do these insights mean for you? Essentially, they highlight that staying ahead of the curve isn't a one-time effort, it's a continuous process. Whether you are leveraging AI to improve your workflows or developing new skills to meet emerging market demands, the key is to remain curious, embrace change, and invest in your own growth. Let's summarize what we have discussed today. The future of software development in the age of artificial intelligence is both exciting and challenging. We started by exploring the current state of our industry, a world where AI is already making significant strides in automating routine tasks and enhancing productivity. We then delved into the future possibilities, envisioning AI as a collaborator, the rise of autonomous development environments, and the democratization of coding through advanced tools. We examined how these innovations will require us to be more versatile, adaptive, and continuously engaged in learning. The key takeaways here are to embrace continuous learning, to stay updated with emerging trends and technologies, then to experiment with AI, integrating AI tools into your workflow to enhance productivity, and also to develop a growth mindset by viewing challenges as opportunities to improve. Also, there is an opportunity to build cross-disciplinary skills, enhance your value by understanding adjacent fields, network and reflect, connect with others, and continually assess your progress. These strategies are not just theoretical. These are practical steps that can help you thrive in an industry defined by rapid change. As we come to the end of this episode, I want you to remember that the future of software development is being written every day. Embracing new technologies, adapting to change, and committing to lifelong learning are not just options, they're necessities in a fast-paced world. The integration of AI in our workflows offer tremendous opportunities to enhance our creativity, efficiency, and impact. However, with great power comes the need for great responsibility. It's up to each of us to ensure that we use these tools wisely, continue to develop our skills, and contribute positively to our field. I hope you have found today's deep dive into the future of software development both enlightening and inspiring. If you are as excited as I am about what lies ahead, make sure to implement some of the practical strategies as we discussed today and share your experiences with the community. Thank you for tuning in to the Change Dude podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a review, share it with your network. Your feedback and support are what keep this conversation alive and growing. Until next time, keep learning, keep experimenting, and always embrace the change. I'm your host, Said Rafe, signing off.